建築
Okay. Grounded,
Ano
New
po?
World.
You can't run from me, you Valbees!
Tapusin mo nga to. Ano kaya?
You think you outsmarted me? The mighty Muldoon? I don't think so, Yokeskirth! Stay tuned for what happens next on Yokeskirth. Now a word from our sponsor. Kids, are you ready for a new wild and wacky Puncho fruit flavor? Introducing Apricot. It's a punch to the gut. Stop
Ano ko lang ano yung
by,
backstory
make
niya.
sure you get your Billy Hog hot dog before
Habang
you get
pinapanood mo,
away.
inom muna ako tubig.
Sige, sige.
Good morning, Brook Hollow. Today is October 20, 1990. This is your news. We have a special breaking report. The police department has released information that more local teenagers have gone missing.
Nawawala
They were
sila.
last seen earlier this week, and the only connection between the teenagers is that they are all students at Brook Hollow High School. This could be linked to the disturbing trend of other possible abductions and missing teenagers from our otherwise quiet town. If anyone has seen the teenagers or has any other information, please contact the police department. The mayor of Brook Hollow has put a curfew into effect for anyone under 18 starting tonight. Now to other news. In the business world, Augmented Practical Technology signed a new deal with
Eh. Di ba?
Tapos, paano siya gamit?
Eh, syempre kung sasabihin na agad sa umpisa, baka yun nga yung story.
Talagang mystery yung pagkakit.
Feeling ko.
Akala ko kasi nung una, alam na nila kasi nasa briefcase sila tapos may mga may scientist na nagsasalita. Akala ko ano.
Pwede.
Pero, ayun.
Hindi, ayan o. Ayan yung briefcase eh.
Tayo na ba to? Tayo na ba to?
Those prank TV shows.
Tayo na to, tayo na to.
Okay, game.
Wait, what are you doing here?
No clue.
Ay, babae ako?
Ano sa'yo?
Babae pala yung karakter ko.
Hey, buddy.
Ikaw ba nakasalamin ba?
Pinakasalamin pinili ko. Ba't gano'n? Ay, okay lang, okay lang, okay lang.
Tara, tara. Hanap resources.
Consulting Detective Weevil, hot on the trail.
Ano yung gagawin ko?
Got a note.
Yung linto. Ay,
Whoa, why don't you just stay over there? Small
paano ko?
insect.
Ito. On. Tara, tara. Saan napupunta yun yung ano? Yung quest.
Langgam!
Mysterious machine. Yun ba yung remote?
Eh, ladybug. Ayoko na. Ito, langgam!
Wala investigate. Wala naman eh. Yung ipipindutin ba yung taas? Ano ba yun?
Oo, pipindutin mo muna yung taas.
Ito.
Alam mo, nangungulekta lang ako ng food dito.
Showtime. Haha, just like laser tag.
Ano pala yung sasabog? Sasabog.
Looks like the other two lasers are blocked.
Yung ano muna yun, nasa
Load
ilalim.
up this big mysterious computer doesn't do anything.
Yung sa may wire. Ano dyan pala?
Ladybug! 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 Dali, nasa ka na? Ready to kill.
Tara, 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 tara.
Gonna have a look around.
Aray! Wait lang.
Tama na ako boy ngayon. Aray. Ba't question mark pagka X?
Ay, namatay! Nice!
Wala pa akong skill. Aray, namatay na naman ako ng kampi ko.
You gotta get up, Max.
Sorry, lagi kita natatawa.
Pre, ano, hindi ako, insekto.
Mag-spear na nga lang ako. Lagi
Pre nga
kita
pagkain
natatawa.
para mag-regen.
Wala na akong pagkain.
Rub time.
Yan. Talagas na yan. Hindi naman ako mga insekto ah. Ano ba yun? Hindi ko ma-activate.
Kailangan, may nakaharang nga daw.
Ah, ito. Itong dahon. Boom! Let's go!
Pindot.
Machine coder. Nice. What is happening? What is happening?
Hey!
Ito na yung na-stop na tayo, no?
Oo, ito na yun.
Okay. Puntahan na natin yan.
Did you hear something that sounded like a big fire-off explosion?
Uy, ang ganda, pre! Ngayon lang tayo nakabot dito. Yung mga toys. Napupulot yan.
Oo, acorn. Bago. Ito.
Keep that aphid as a pet.
Ito. Ooh, bago. Ang ganda ah.
Oh, damn.
Medyo lag.
Particle traces.
Hindi ba kami kailang sa nire-remove?
Ito.
Tiresome.
Ayun.
Ito, may pinindot ako.
And while you're at it,
Nice,
make
nice.
all references to the irregular covalent
Pasok, pasok.
SNPI42Z particle 2.
Uy, ang daming sapoy.
Science.
Uy, tubig!
Order
Boy!
received. Raw science
Nice.
identified. Does it require
Huwag
cooking,
natin mga sap.
flipping, or grilling?
No, none of those.
Pwede ba tayo magkaroon ng ganito?
That answer
Libreng
is not
tubig.
permitted.
Kunin
According to
natin yung water dispenser.
governing the handling of raw food items.
Ito yun. Unauthorized access.
Ito, may tinutulungan ako dito.
System reboot in progress.
Ay, robot, pre!
Thanks for the helping hand.
Ay,
I am Virgil, acting science manager for
Uy.
this project. I am also a robot. I am sure this all must be very
mukha ka namang
disorienting for
robot.
you, but hopefully I can explain.
This morning, I installed the borrowed lab modules.
Umiipin.
One of my forgotten inventions from the early days. I had such
Umiipin.
bad notions back then.
Kailangan level 2.
Kinder Science Mini Quick Little Chemist Lab Education.
Balik muna tayo sa
for
base.
children.
Kasi kailangan natin yung level 2 na ano.
Yung mga equipment, no?
Oo, smithing
Pero may exclamation point dun eh. Hindi ko alam kung saan siyang location.
Hindi yun nga, may nakaharang ng ipin na kailangan
Ayun na
level
yun.
I never told them about the Bunsen burners.
2. Wait lang, inom muna ako tubig. Aray, inatake na naman.
Sorry.
Toy pieces in best way. I digress.
Well, some of them, anyway.
Pre!
It's okay.
Gagamba!
In episode 39,
Saan?
Moldor
Ay,
ripped his head off and
darling.
threw it in a volcano.
Nahabol ako,
Shaman
aray.
resurrected him from a bucket of
Moldor just struck him with a dagger. And there were no
Oh,
shamans.
shit.
And no bucket of blood.
Ziba.
Ah,
Always telling you
Aray,
you
patay
spend
yan.
less time reading
patay ka din.
Where there's one spiderling, there's bound to be more of them.
Patay ka rin, boy.
Na-DC ako.
Spawn. Shit, nandun ako sa luma.
Oh, sa lumang base. Di pa tayo naggawa ng tulugan eh.
Recycle ko na lang itong mga ano. Shit. Nakakunik ko na. Nandito na naman yung gagampan na to.
poisoned or something funny.
Ito, pinaka-umpisa ako ng
Aray!
I've fallen and I can't get up!
Spawn. Spawn, dami ng bag sa lupa, boy. Tara. Ayun na naman yung malaki.
Ano naman siya?
Parang spawn yung malaki. Ayun na naman, aray.
Fuck. Dapat, umalis na tayo. Iwan na natin yung stick. Iwan na natin yung stick. Iwan na yung stick. Yung backpack lang. Kunin lang yung backpack. Tas, fuck. Kunin lang yung backpack. Tapos, shit.
Sayang yung stick. Saan tayo makakakuha nun?
Not bad.
Maghanap na lang tayo ulit. Meron dito, oh. Ayan, oh, sa taas. Tsa.
Boring. Spawn, daming kailangan na ganun. Ayan nga, try mo nga yan. Ayan! Yes.
Wait nga, ilalapag ko muna to na matulungan kita dyan.
Teka lang, kailangan ko ng apps.
Uy, Ladybug! Patayin natin!
Ha?
Ladybug!
Lilibag. May
May
gagamba, chef.
May gagamba, balik!
Retreat! Gagi, ang
Pasok muna sa
laki.
base!
Gonna have a look
Pasok
around.
sa base!
Lapit pa sa base, pre.
Dalawa sila!
Gagi, pre. Dalawa.
Ano yan?
Lilibag. Nakakita ng gagamba. Retreat!
Patay natin,
Ladybug.
Ladybug. Patay natin.
Ay. Ako sa taas. Pre!
Ay! Ang gagamba!
Kaya nga eh.
Buti na lang dito tayo
Don't
namatay.
think my go-to spider elimination strategy is gonna be much use.
Ay,
Okay
nako.
lang. Nandito lang yung base. Ayun na yung bag natin.
Nagdabog na lang, ayaw mabuo. Please, nabuhay to. Ayaw mabuo. Uy, ano oh? Uy, ano ladybug?
Tara, patay na.
Try. Wow. Aray. Ah! One hit mo!
Little help here! You gotta get up, Max.
Teka.
Aray!
Lang.
Hoy, dalawa silang nagalit.
Pero at least nandito lang sila. Isa lang muna. Ih.
Naglag ako.
Atake. Aray. Atake. Uy, nasira yung base. Visit ka? Sinira mo yung base.
Isa! Hoy, sinisira niya yung pader.
Shit, nasira yung base. Buhay. Ah. Shit, pati yung langgam. Teka lang.
I can't catch my breath.
Nasira yung base.
Aray! Visit na yan. Ang importante, wag masira yung linto. Saan yun?
I thought I lost
I
you.
don't want any trouble, Anne. Better still be here.
Nasaan yung ano?
Ito, sa likod.
Isip. Diyos ko.
Na, paano na mag-repair?
Hindi, wala. Pwede na nga natin lagay sa loob para safe eh.
Pwede nga, oo. Wala pa naman
Lagyan
tayong
natin sa
bubong.
second floor.
Oo.
Pero sige,
GG na
bukas
muna.
ulit chat na lang ulit.
Okay.
Pero malayo na yung nagawa natin. So far, mas okay yung recording.
GG, GG.
GG. Oh!
Tomorrow na lang ulit.
Ah,